So friends, the BODMAS rule is an acronym used to remember the correct order of operation in mathematics. So following the sequence ensure you arrive at the correct answer every time. So first we learn how to use BODMAS. What the BODMAS says. First B, bracket, small bracket, curly bracket and then square bracket. O means orders. Of implies multiplication. Order refers to powers and roots. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now you can see here is an expression. We'll just break it down by the step-by-step solution. So first solve the operation inside the parentheses first. So there is a 8 minus 4. It will get 4. Now expression becomes 60 divided by 5 of 4 plus 3 square. Now the second step of orders. Handle both of multiplication and exponent. So there is a 5 of 4 is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. And then square, 3 square equals to 3 into 3, it will become 9. Now the expression becomes 60 divided by 20 plus 9. Now the third step you have to perform the division. So 60 divided by 20, that is 3. 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3 and expression becomes is 3 plus 9. Finally add the numbers, you will get 12.